Welcome back to Melody Guitar Book 3. This book focuses on reading and playing melodies in standard music notation. You can watch all these videos for free, but it's going to be a lot easier to learn if you have your own copy of Melody Guitar 3 that you can read from and write in. Plus, you can help support a music teacher, so I'll leave a link in the description. We're on page 62. We have 2 new melodies with 16th notes in 3/8 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, play. Top of page 62, we have number 140, this ballade. It's in 3/8 time. It's marked 8th note equals 140. We have 2 flats in the key signature, B flat and E flat. So if you need to mark flats in your music, normally that would put us in the key of B flat major. Remember, for major keys, you take the second to last flat in the row, and that is the name of the key. This, however, is in G minor. We're going to be talking about minor keys when we get to page 80. We begin with open G to F sharp. I like to play this F sharp with my 3rd finger. It's just a little easier to reach than the pinky. And because you have an open G, you can just hover over the F sharp and be ready for it. So we have counting 1 and 2 and 3 and now we have E flat in the key signature, but this is marked E natural, so that'll be 2nd fret. And because of the rule of accidentals, we had an F sharp earlier in the measure, so this F sharp, I should say this F is F sharp. Measure 2, same as measure 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and then we have some staccato notes. We have a G, a rest, a B flat, remember we have B flat in the key signature, to a D, rest, and then E natural. The trick here is just to wait. You're going to be counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, rest. Then we have a repeat sign. That repeat takes us back to the beginning, and then we do all that again. Let's move on now, though, to the second to last measure of the 2nd line. A lot of staccato notes here, so cut those notes short. 1, 2, rest, 1, 2, rest, F sharp, 1, 2, rest, 1, 2, rest, and again, B flats here, rest, and then this is the fingering that helps me with this section. I like to go finger 3, finger 2 on this B flat, and then open. Next measure, same, finger 3, 2, open, and then open, finger 1 on this low B flat. If you need to, mark your B flats in your music. Finger 3 on the low G, and then a D, staccato, rest, rest, and then just make sure you're counting through all the stuff at the end. We have a D for 2 counts, and then a rest on beat 3, 1, 2, 3, and then a lower D, 1, 2, 3, upper D again, 1, 2, 3, and then an open G with the fermata, so hold that note as long as you like. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, play. At the bottom of page 62, we have number 141. It's in 3/8 time. It's marked dotted quarter note equals 54. The dotted quarter note takes up the entire measure of 3/8 time, so that's going to be counted 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We have 2 sharps in the key signature. That's going to be F sharp and C sharp. So mark any F sharps and C sharps that you need to. Normally that would put us in the key of D major because we take the last sharp in the row, in this case C sharp, raise it by 1 fret or a half step, you find yourself on a D. That puts us in D major. However, this one happens to be in a minor key, and as I mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about minor keys on page 80. By the way, that's B minor. Counting at the beginning, 1 and 2, 3 and 1 and 2, 3 and 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So at the beginning we have D, C sharp, because we have a C sharp in the key signature, C sharp again, and A sharp here. Now in the third measure, we have a courtesy A natural. We don't really need that A natural marked because we've started a new measure, but we just played an A sharp in the measure before, so that courtesy there, the natural parentheses, is just to make sure that you know that's A natural. Now F sharp here, remember we have F sharp in the key signature, and then to our B. Line 2, basically a little scale. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So make sure you wait through those long notes and play those F sharps and C sharps. Line 3, same rhythms as line 1, just different notes. We have F sharp, 1 and 2, 3 and 1 and C sharp, 3 and 1 and 2, 3, and here's our A sharp marked 2, 3. And the last line is the same as the first line, except it ends with the fermata. Fermata over this note, so hold it as long as you like. Your assignment is to practice the melodies on page 62. As always, work on keeping a steady tempo by playing along with a video or playing to a metronome so you can choose your own tempo. And don't forget to order your own copy of Melody Guitar 3. The link is in the description. Take your time with this, and then when you're ready, I'll see you on page 63. We've got a duet in 3/8 time with 16th notes, and that will conclude this section of the book.